We are in Sebring. It's 12 hours. Yeah, it's a really demanding track, physically and mentally. Here is a fight from lap 1 until the end for 12 hours. Also, the tarmac is 50 years old. It was an ex-airport. I mean, you can feel it. It's a really old school track. Every small mistake, you finish in the walls. You're here to beat all the other drivers. You want to prove that you are the best drivers and you want to win. And to win, the only possibility is to be the quicker on track. This is the most difficult track for the car. It's so bumpy, so demanding on the suspension, on all the transmission, engine, brakes, gearbox. It's physically difficult. You have a lot of fast corners, like 1 and 17 especially. It's like jumping like hell. You cannot see in front sometimes because it's just shaking so much. So you just remember the line, but you still flat out. And we feel alive as a driver because you can really push and make the difference to compare with your teammates.